Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a cute little snowman Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. I'm going to start off with a long sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to change it to be a vertical sign, so I remove the hanger from the back. And it doesn't really matter which one you use because we're going to be covering the entire back of it anyway. But I just take some more twine and knot it and use a staple gun to attach that to the top so I can make it a vertical sign. And it's easier to attach the hanger now than after I add everything to it. Now what I want to do is I want it to be like a little pallet sign, and I want it to be basically level with the frame on there. So what I'm going to use is the Dollar Tree wood rulers. You could also use popsicle sticks for this. It won't be quite as thick though. I love picking up these 2 packs of rulers from the Dollar Tree. All you have to do is remove the little stickers from them and you have a great piece of wood with a beveled edge on there. I'm going to go ahead and cut a bunch of them down to size. So this was 2 packages to see how far that would go. And that gave me 8 pieces. And then I'm going to need a few more. So let me cut down a few more. I want to cover the entire back of the sign, just going to my saw and cutting a couple more down. And now I noticed that I couldn't really get them all to fit. One was going to have to be cut a little bit skinnier. And so that's what I did for one piece. Now I just put some hot glue on the bevel on the back so the flat side of the ruler is up, and I'm just going to palette this entire sign. It's going to give me a great background to work with to make this cute little rustic snowman. I did a pretty good job cutting it. I do have a little bit of a gap between the frame and the boards, but it should be easy enough to cover. The next step is staining it. I'm just using some Antique Wax by Waverly. So simple to stain, and look how beautiful those Dollar Tree rulers turn out, that wood grain on there. And I just stain everything. The palette background that I made back there, any like kind of gaps in between the frame and the palette boards that I added, and then wiping everything off with a paper towel. And I think this is going to be a great background for the little snowman. I picked up these wooden shapes from the Dollar Tree. They're like little wall charms, and I'm just going to remove the different shapes. They have these, I think, in white and black. I was able to find mine all in white, but if you need to paint yours white, it would be pretty easy to do. I love the fact that they're already distressed. I got a circle, the cross, and the square. And then I'm also going to be making a hat for the snowman using some of the Dollar Tree wood squares and another one of those wooden rulers. Do have to cut it down a little bit though to make it to scale for this little snowman. I think that's going to work for a little snowman hat. I decided not to do any arms or anything like that. I just kind of want an abstract snowman, but I do want the snowman hat to be black, so I just go ahead and paint both of those wood pieces black with some acrylic paint. And kind of thin, so I can kind of distress it a little bit with the white to match like the rustic charm of like the little wood charms here. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach these with hot glue. So each one of these sections is going to be like an abstract part of the snowman, and I really think you need to use the circle one for the snowman head. And then I just glue on the hat we DIY'd by gluing the wood and the ruler to it. And I love how it's looking. I thought I could use a few more touches for the hat at least. So I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree greenery and some of their like little snowy berries to decorate the hat. I just use 2 pieces I cut down to size, kind of avoiding the glitter part on those picks, and using some of those little berries that look like they have snow on them from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to do 3 of those, 2 of the greenery, and this is how it turned out. I love snowman DIYs. I hope you love it too.